Let's prepare to meditate. Adjust your body so that you are sitting comfortably. Close your eyes. Rest your hands on your lap in any way that is comfortable for you. Take a nice filling breath in. Breathe deeply in through your nose and breathe out slowly through your mouth. Do this again. Now when you exhale, breathe out with a long sigh. Do this breathing again a few more times to settle your mind and body. You are ready to begin. This meditation is very easy. Take nice deep breaths as if you were asleep. Do this for a moment until you feel your body starting to relax. In this meditation, you will hear the sound of a singing bowl. Each time the bowl sings, pay attention to how it makes your body feel. If you do not feel something in your body, just breathe deeply, relax, and listen. Listen to the bowl a couple of times, and just notice if you feel anything in your mind or body. Turn your attention to your heart. Listen to the bowl a couple of times and try to notice how it makes your heart feel. Change your attention to the space between your eyebrows. Listen to the bowl a couple of times and try to notice how it makes this space feel. Turn your attention to your chest. Do you notice anything here with the sound of the bowl? Focus on your mind. How does the bowl make your mind feel? Now it is time to relax. Relax your body. Soften your breath. Breathe deeply. Let yourself feel heavy. relax fully. As our meditation comes to a close, draw your attention back to your real body. Notice and feel where your body is touching the floor or chair. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a deep breath. Now go ahead and stretch out your body in any way that feels good to you. When you are ready, open your eyes. Now go out and find the magic in your day.